Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you Smooth Spine Triple Fusion Massager review. So you might be wondering, what is the Smooth Spine Triple Fusion Massager that you may be hearing or seeing online? So Smooth Spine Triple Fusion Massager is a home-use back massager designed for the lower back. Now, according to the official website here, it combines dynamic traction to target point massage and heat therapy here. So the company says these three functions are actually designed to reduce tension and stiffness, relieve pressure around the sciatic nerve, and support spinal disc rehydration here. So in this case, how do you exactly use this device? Well, according to the website, this one is quite simple to use. So you first need to plug the device into a power source using the included cable, place it on a flat surface such as your bed, floor, or couch, and position it under your lower back. Now, you want to hold the power button to turn it on, and the device will cycle through its massage, traction, and heat functions. Now, the website recommends you're using it for around like 15 to 30 minutes per session, and that's according to the website if you're going to visit, as you can see right now. And basically with 15 minutes a day highlighted as the standard routine. Now the device measures approximately 23.6 by 9.8 by 4.7 inches and does not require batteries here. So Smooth Spine is currently listed at around let's just say $299.95 as of this moment, and includes a 90-day money back guarantee. And the site also advertises free shipping and currently lists the product as out of stock. So you may want to visit them another time here if you are interested in buying this one. So also the manufacturer claims the device can provide relief from back pain, sciatica, stiffness, and discomfort, but it also states that results may vary and that Smooth Spine is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any medical condition. So, in simpler terms here, Smooth Spine combines traction, massage, and heat in one lower back device that you plug in, position underneath your back, and use for a short daily session. Now, in this case, if you're really interested with this product here, and since this product is intended for back pain and sciatica, the manufacturer here recommends consulting your healthcare provider before use, especially if you have existing health conditions and also if you're experiencing certain pain in your lower back. So it's best to consult your doctor first. And also, it also says not to use it while sleeping or in wet environments, and also make sure to follow instructions if you do intend to use this one. But yeah, doing your own research, reading reviews inside and outside their website is highly recommended, just to make sure that you're getting the most out of your money here. But that's about it. So if you found this video, feel free to like and share button and watch our next video.